Can we really control our anger?
Hello, champions! If you're searching for real inspiration and words that can change your life, you've come to the right place. But before we begin, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because your support is the fuel that keeps us going.
The question that often arises is, can a person truly control their anger? In today's advanced world, where psychological research has reached new heights, it is now very possible for individuals to overcome various emotional challenges and lead successful lives. Anger is one of those challenges. It can be controlled, but it requires effort, awareness, and real action. Here are practical steps to help you take control of your anger. 1. Self-control begins with patience. One of the most powerful tools for managing anger is emotional endurance. Train yourself to stay calm under pressure. Fight the urge to react to every small irritation. The more you build emotional resilience, the less control negative situations will have over you. 2. Uncontrolled anger can destroy you. Anger is not just an emotional reaction. It affects your mental and physical health. It distances you from loved ones, weakens your productivity, and wastes your energy on negativity instead of progress and growth. 3. Learn not to react to the small stuff. To master your emotions, start ignoring the small stuff. Train yourself slowly. Step by step, you'll become emotionally stronger until no external event can shake you or throw you off balance. 4. Analyze before you explode. When you're faced with a negative situation, pause. Don't react immediately. Ask yourself, is this really worth my energy and peace of mind? If not, let it go. If yes, approach it with calm and clarity, not rage. 5. Never decide in the heat of anger. Avoid making important decisions when you're angry. Don't meet people or get into conversations until your mind has settled. If you can't focus on a solution, do something physical to release that built-up energy. 6. Turn to spiritual and inner peace. Calm yourself spiritually. Clear your mind of negative thoughts. Relax your body. And if you can't solve the problem on your own, talk to a trusted friend. They can help relieve the pressure and guide you toward a wise solution. 7. Use books, writing, or hobbies to channel your energy. Read something uplifting. Write down your thoughts, or engage in a creative hobby you love. These actions transform negative emotions into positive, purposeful energy. 8. Walk away from the trigger. If the situation is too overwhelming, step away. Many wise people leave the room when they're angry, and it works. Come back only when you've regained control and are ready to act with intention, not impulse. Final thoughts. Anger is natural, but mastering anger is a skill, and just like any skill, it can be learned. Redirect your energy toward your goals, not your frustrations. Be the master of your emotions, not their slave. That's how you rise